Thanks to Z Grills for sponsoring this video. Check the link in the description below to learn about the buy one, get 10 promotion. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of All American Cooking. Today it is all about the flavors of fall. We are stuffing a pumpkin and we're smoking it. Oh, yeah, I know. It's crazy, right? But look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. Smells amazing, tastes amazing. It's fall. Let's do this. It's a little pie pumpkin, maybe about 18 to 22 ounces. I'm going to take a utility knife and just very carefully cut the top off. Whether you go to a pumpkin stand or a pumpkin orchard or a farm, hell, this time of year, a lot of grocery stores carry them. They can also be called sugar pumpkins. But for this recipe, your ideal size is between a pound and a pound and a half. I could make this a lot easier and just lop the entire top off, but for aesthetics, we're just going to cut a hole about the size of my fist into this thing. And for both cooking and plating purposes, we want to hold on to this lid, so take your time, be very careful. Try to keep it as round as possible, but, rustic is okay. Now, once you're there, pop that top off, reveal all the guts inside. Oh, isn't that a beautiful sight? And of course, the first thing we want to do is clean up that lid. We don't want to be putting all these strings and pumpkin guts and seeds back into it, so just cut that part off. And then as a personal preference, I love roasted pumpkin seeds. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out right there. So I'm going to grab a strainer and I'm going to put all the seeds in here. You don't have to do this. You can just throw them away if you want to be wasteful like that. But yeah, just get in there and clean that thing out as best as you can. And then grab a spoon and keep scraping away at the sides until you get most of the strings and the loose particles out of there. We really want to clean this thing up as best as we can. And once you're satisfied, it looks pretty good. Go ahead, take 5, have a smoke. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm cooking rice in the meantime. Wild rice, about a cup of wild rice to about 1 3/4 cup of chicken stock. And that takes about 45 to 50 minutes to get that rice done. So while that rice is finishing, relax for a minute. Or, you could grab your favorite food-safe silicone painting brush and some Graza Sizzle. Sizzle up the inside of that pumpkin with that olive oil and make sure you brush it all around to coat it evenly. Beautiful. Then once it's evenly coated in olive oil, sometimes it snows in autumn. So make it snow with a little bit of kosher salt on the inside of that pumpkin. And after a light sprinkling of salt, we're going to come in with a generous sprinkling of Cuso's Cowboy butter. I know. Crazy. Cowboy butter pumpkin? What am I thinking? Trust me. And I just opened a new bottle. Here, smell that. Oh, you smell how fresh that is? Get some of this. Link in the description below. And don't be shy with it, man. Give it the business. Get in there and give it the business. We want a nice, even coating of cowboy butter all throughout the inside of this pumpkin. And once you're all cowboy buttered up, oh, it looks beautiful. It already smells amazing. Go ahead and set that kid aside. Let's get to work on our cranberries. That's about a half cup of fresh cranberries that have been rinsed under cool water and patted dry with a paper towel. To that, we'll add a heavy splash of some pure maple syrup. Then we'll shake in a couple of teaspoons of Cuso's hot honey seasoning. Then we'll give that a gratuitous mix to make sure that everything is evenly coated. Now set those kids aside and let's assemble our filling, which starts with about 2 cups of pre-cooked wild rice that's been cooled to room temperature. Pour that into a large mixing bowl. For tartness and color, we'll add our maple hot honey cranberries. And it's already starting to smell amazing in here. For a little sweet crunch, I've got some toasted chopped pecans. We'll add about 1/4 to a half cup in there. And for a little citrusy, peppery zing, a third visit from Cuso's, this time in the form of lemon pepper. And for a little autumn herbal freshness, a couple sprigs of thyme, couple of sage leaves. For the thyme, you want to pinch the stem and go backwards, and the leaves just kind of come right off. And for the sage leaves, before chopping them, roll them up real tight like the hippies in New York used to do. Then make really thin slices. This is called chiffonade, but we're not going to leave it chiffonade. We're going to chop everything up fine. And once you're satisfied with your sage and thyme chopping skills, realize that you have some fresh parsley right next to you, and that should probably go in this dish as well. So roll up those parsley leaves and give them a rough chop. Then combine all of your fresh herbs, give them the business with the knife one more time, and add them to the rice mixture. Then give the whole thing a good mix to make sure everybody is well incorporated. Now, this next step is optional, but I like a little bit of tang and a little creamy texture. Easy open. Okay, there we go. So I'm just going to take about half of this log. It's a little creamy, but it's a little crumbly at the same time. So this is just plain goat cheese. You want to do the herbed one, or if they got a cranberry one, I'm sure that would be nothing short of amazing. crumbly goodness in there. Oh, I love it. Tangy, creamy, crumbly. Okay. Get that off of there. That bites for me. I'm gonna mix this all together. And we got the little bit of salt in the pumpkin, the Cowboy butter. We got the lemon pepper in here, a little bit of hot honey on the cranberries, but we do want to give it another decent pinch of salt. And I think this is a good time for some rainbow pepper. Beautiful. One final mix and into our pumpkin we go. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful? So, we'll just loosely spoon this in here. We don't want to go nuts with it. Yeah, I totally made enough for 2 pumpkins. But we only got 1 pumpkin to stuff for right now, so that's just gonna have to be the way of it. So the rest of this I can save and stuff in another pumpkin or even in a butternut squash. Beautiful. We don't want this too full, so we can tap it down a little bit. A little better, you know, than half full, 3/4 full. Just a touch more in there, especially here with this goat cheese and the cranberries. Oh, just look at that. It's beautiful. So, we don't want the lid on exactly the way that it was. We want to leave a little vent here so it can steam. So that should be good. Let's bring it out to the smoker. Our Z-Grill's pellet grill is at temp 375, using a combination of hickory, cherry, and maple. Let's get this kid on, shall we? And that will be its home for the next 45 to 50 minutes. All right, it's been about 45 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Oh, let's take the top off. Oh, that looks spectacular. That looks nice. All right, let's get it off and get it inside and serve it. And there. There's our beautiful pumpkin. Oh, the smell. Oh my God, it smells amazing. And let that rest for about 5-10 minutes, and then we'll carve into it. Okay, so let's take our lid off here. Just set that kid on the side. And then I want to do a slice right here. And I'll come over here and we'll do a slice right there. Oh, look at that. taste a little bit of the pumpkin here. Oh, wow. That is so good. Let it kind of cascade out of there. As if it's not healthy enough, we'll give it a little green. And that is beautiful. Look at that. Lid back on. Now, let's leave the lid off to the side. Gorgeous. I wish you could smell this right now. The smell is intoxicating. It's so, I mean, it's beautiful. I took a taste of the pumpkin off the little wedge that I cut out. Oh, it's unbelievable. You can't believe that something that's known for being a dessert like pumpkin or, cranberries is kind of a sweet tart side can work so well in a savory application. You gotta try this one. You really gotta try this one. Going from behind here so I can't really see. Oh, look, I can look at the camera there and see what I'm doing. I want to get some of the cranberry in there. I want to get some of the goat cheese. I mean, that, just the, the aroma is unbelievable. It's everything that fall is. I mean, it's fall in a little pumpkin. Look at the little pumpkin. Cheers. Don't eat boring food. Mm. 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 Wow. Oh my. Oh my God, it's so good. When the cranberry bursts in your mouth, you get the tartness of the cranberry, the savoriness of the rice, the little citrus blast from the Cowboy butter and the lemon pepper, the freshness of the herbs, a little bit of tang from the goat cheese. Yeah, don't change a thing. Don't change a thing. Make it just like this because I just fall on a fork. Don't fall on a fork. It's autumn on a fork. People are going to be falling on forks. Z-Grills, make sure you check the link in the description below. Get in on that buy one, get 10 promotion while it lasts. And make amazing food like this. Whoever thought that this would come off of a pellet grill? Hey, imagine if I did drugs, the things that I come up with, right? Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Oh, and also don't forget to check the link in the description below to save on Cuso's products as well. Z-Grills, buy one, get 10 promotion. Click the link, get in on it now. Cuso's, 10% off your entire order. Great cutting boards, knives, amazing seasonings, all natural, no fillers, and some sugar-free sauces that are just killer. So get in on it while the getting's good. Link in the description below. Click that subscribe button while you're here. Leave me a comment. Tell me what else you want me to make. Who would have thought of this one? We'll see you. Mm. 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 It's so good.